Fears are collective life negativity creating the snowballing effect on individual and on collective consciousness. What is fear? The life negative perceptions about the insecurities created by others you carry within you about you and towards others. You are afraid of people who are afraid of you. You are bothered about others' opinion who is bothered about your opinion about them. Listen to this carefully. You are afraid of person who is afraid of you. You are bothered about the others' opinion who are bothered about your opinion about them. Collective fear-centric laws are created in such a way that it creates snowballing effect of deluding the consciousness more and more into life negative and giving you the feeling this is the way life is. Kailasa is going to break that vicious circle and make it into virtuous circle. Understand? In Kailasa, first thing, I am utterly feeling secured and safe. So I declare Abhayam Sarvabhudebhyo to my first circle. The feeling of security I feel as first person, I transmit it to the second person. And through the second person, I transmit that same feeling of security, Abhayam Sarvabhudebhyo, to third person. I decide to treat you all, experience you all as Paramashiva and make you all feel confident to treat others as Paramashiva, and this ripple effect is called virtuous circle. I am responsible to start this virtuous circle, Dharma Chakra, Jnana Chakra, and make every one of you experience it and radiate this joy, life, positivity towards others from first person. I make it infectious to second person. From second person, I make it infectious to third persons. From third persons, I make it infectious to fourth persons. From fourth persons, I make it infectious to fifth persons. From fifth persons, I make it infectious to sixth persons. This is what is virtuous circle. Law of Kailasa is life positivity. The intense feeling, secure, protected, nourished, enriched, loved, I experience from Paramashiva, my Antaratma, Paramatma. I radiate it through my first person to my second person, you. Kailasa, government. From my second person, you, to third person, they, the whole world, the whole humanity. From the third person to fourth persons, all the animals. Below the ocean, above the earth, below the earth. From fourth persons to fifth persons, plants, trees, rivers, hills, ultimately to the whole universe. Reversing of the fear-based law into love-based existence is the purpose of Kailasa. This is what is all about life. This is what is all about Kailasa. This is what is all about superconscious breakthrough. In the society, all laws are made with the principle, you are afraid of me, I am afraid of you. You try to control me, I try to control you. But in Kailasa, all the laws are life pro. I love you, you love me. Let both of us love whole world. Feeling empowered by the love of Paramashiva. Feeling empowered by the protection of Paramashiva. Feeling empowered by the security of Paramashiva. Detoxing the fears. Detoxing the life negativity. Detoxing anti-life principles, anti-life ideas, making life positivity as reality, making life positivity as truth, making life positivity as a day-to-day experience for existence. It is possible. Making life positivity as day-to-day life, day-to-day experience, day-to-day law of life, day-to-day existence, love, life, laughter, dance, music, all life positive existent and experience and expression. Existence, experience, expression in all three levels. Being life positive and manifesting the intense excitement, explosion of life positivity. This is the core principle, purpose of Kailasa. There is no R, there is only one, life positivity. Understand? Just few people around you, when they start treating you as Paramashiva, you really feel confidence. You are Paramashiva and you can treat others as Paramashiva. Everyone is God is not just some spiritual fantasy. It can be law of everyday life. Just like your traffic rules, it can be law of life. The most funny thing, instead of feeling protected by seeing the cops, you always feel nervous when you see cops on the road. They are supposed to be there to protect you, but you always feel threatened when you see cops' car in the street, in the road, in the highway. That's the most funny thing. In Kailasa, you will feel empowered by every being seeing you as Paramashiva. You will feel so empowered, you will simply start seeing yourself as Paramashiva and everyone as Paramashiva. This intense ecosystem is my contribution. This is what is going to be the biggest miracle of me. This is what is going to be the biggest power manifestation of me for planet Earth. This is going to be the biggest pavada, siddhi, power manifestation for the planet Earth from me. Your very bone will feel, your very core will feel life positive. Your very source will feel empowered. Your very Kundalini will feel inspired, excited. Your very DNA will dance with Nataraja. Paramashiva, with the cosmos, with the Brahmanda,